If you need to block someone on Google Wallet, follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains secure and your transactions are private. Step 1. Open Google Wallet. Launch the Google Wallet app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the person you wish to block. Step 2. Access your contacts. Navigate to the section where your contacts or transaction history is displayed. This is typically found in the main menu or under a specific tab for transactions. Step 3. Find the person. Scroll through your contacts or transaction history to locate the person you want to block. You can also use the search function if available. Step 4. Select block option. Once you find the person, tap on their profile or transaction details. Look for an option that says block or report and select it. Confirm your choice if prompted. Step 5. Review blocked contacts. After blocking, you may want to check your settings to ensure the person is listed among your blocked contacts. This can usually be found in the app settings under privacy or security options. By following these steps, you can successfully block someone on Google Wallet, enhancing your security and privacy while using the app.